Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you 5 of my recent Amazon purchases which I am loving it. So I decided that I will be doing a mini haul for you all. So let's get started. The first product is this mini wooden coaster set. So this is how it looks. This is very pretty. And this I normally keep it in my study table, but you can keep it anywhere in your house. It comes with a wooden stand, and the wooden stand has this anti-skid padding. This coaster has a set of 6, and this has owl based design which looks very cute. This is not only a coaster, it acts as a decor piece in my house. I normally keep it in my study table, and whenever I see this piece I really enjoy it because whenever I drink water I have the coasters ready to keep it so that my study table is not damaged. You can use it anywhere, in the dining table or the coffee table in your house. Everywhere it will look good. You can, if you are looking to buy coaster, then this is must buy. This is also very affordable. I was looking to buy coasters everywhere. Then when I came across this in Amazon, I really liked it. So definitely give it a try. Next product is this electric diffuser lamp. It is looks like this. It has a very beautiful design, and this part is ceramic, so you should be little careful while using this. This comes with a 3-pin socket, so you can plug it in, and then you can use it either as a night lamp or it looks very beautiful as a night lamp. Okay, so that is its first purpose. And then it has this place where you can pour water with essential oils, and then it comes with a switch here. So if you switch on this switch, then it starts diffusing. Okay, so here you can put camphor or essential oil, both ways you can use it. I daily put camphor and I light this up. So, and at night I use it as a lamp. So this is a multi-purpose lamp. Next one on my list is this multi-purpose brush cleaner. So this is mostly to clean the mesh doors in our house, mesh doors or windows, whatever, and it also comes with a wiper. So recently I moved in a rented apartment, and all of my mesh doors were very dirty, and I was looking to find someone to clean it. I tried to clean it with a cloth, but it did not work out well, and also with vacuum cleaner, but the vacuum cleaner suction is so strong that it was cleaning the mesh doors, but my mesh was getting damaged very easily. So I stopped it immediately, and then I was searching Amazon, and then I came across this product which had very good reviews. And this also has a extensible cord, so you can make it even more heighted. So this definitely cleaned the mesh doors very properly for me. And when the best part about this product is when you clean the mesh door, the dust falls outside the door. So that is the best part. So definitely give it a try because I am loving it. Next product is this glass jug. So it has water because I was recently using it and I did not want it to empty it. Also, I am trying to avoid plastic actually. So even all of my glasses and plates, I try to keep it either in stainless steel or glass. So jugs I normally like in glass because in stainless steel, I don't know, this might be me overthinking, but when I taste stainless steel water, I feel that the taste is changed. So I generally like to keep it in glass containers. And this is very heavy and sturdy. I really like it. Also it comes with a plastic lid. So this looks very pretty on my dining table and in my house. So I wanted to share this product with you. Now we are going to talk about the last and my most favorite product, which is this wooden statement piece which you can keep in your dining table and also in your study table. This has a beautiful wallpaper at the top, and also it has 2 beautiful drawers in the front. You can use it to keep cutleries or any kind of knickknacks on your dining table, and here you can place your any kind of pickles, salt, pepper and those kind of things. This will look very good as a decor piece, and also it is very functional at the same time. So that's all for my random Amazon mini haul. I have so many items which I wanted to share with you. Stay tuned for those items, and also any item if I find useful, I will try to make a haul for those items. If you like this video, please press on the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and definitely comment below on the items which you have tried in these. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.